fire for fire. This is the show. They be a me catch you. Say edura wia na o hell time no. Na say pramubo na pemu say ten. No say aha na Ghana fo nyina obia etwen. Na eden so a ye twen na say ye kekako 6th of June. Me say ye kekako ye kekako 6th of June. Eho ena Ghana fo nyina so twen say sada no so beso ena se nso na beto ewia na bebo International Conference Center be ko obi. International Conference Center eye 6th of June ye nyina be ko obi. Na say Anas se ojina dem ha so wo he mitia obebi a obia ono obi anim no sebe untimi huno na wa betage no se de eduru ba bia na odi wani no won se fireman fire kasa kanu krade a che Ghana fo ntino na o point fingers at him me se obi ani wo eno no we no obati se Jesus Christ ana so obati se Jesus Christ entino ultimate pointy fingers at him and wasan so show bo say 6th of June enti bira na behwe bi na me pe headline bia Daily Guide or so one of the newspapers they buy or say palpitation at GFA. Yes, enti u share nua na onim na wa chia na call baby 6th of June edian beba so live na no kura wom say perception say perception say nkrofo ka say football people football for no sebi wo mo di esika wo mo gu ya football no e discount shom ho no mo discount say es gracia near sponsors e de gu ya league so near sponsors e de ma ya women football near pesca na teams e de akoya campaign nanu ada behwe the Black Princesses of Ghana e take coach Yusuf Bazigi. So meka our sempa eteki coach Yusuf Bazigi so meka our fire for fire say sebi wo mu hia emoni anwa and so must start campaign. This is the country I wom aye wo football for afi no be ko na wie no na wo ma chesika enye sika kitu wo mu chesika enye sika defom no bia gine de ase ne ho se ya ye adwuma ya ne ya boa ye sika no ene ya ye adwuma ene ya brenti no wo ye adwuma wi a no obisa se wo ye adwuma o multimedia e ya kwesitum busum so ntua oka ei Ghana fo nyina sika na Ghana fo nyina football no sika na mo amusu Mankasa musu na money nam krom na ye ni sponsors na league no ya call 3 solid seasons ni sponsor bia meda so na mane ko kampo no musu me say na no ada e take head coach of Yama team no say o medina radio so o medina TV so no make say wo mu hie ska dia akoto mo and so ma start campaign team e ko world cup ba nipa de seni apom piska no nipa de seni atneska no so nipa de seni ajiskana gu no ho ati say wonye ready kwa say sebi wo beti nani e dia che ma team no sports no more money ko ho but kona ko wi ni bibi na bra kona kwaji bibi na bra ho na behu football fo no obia coach wo mu coach akasia patapa de ni presusa patapa coach esusa wo mu different colors blue colors ash color black color different colors and a football for no coach ne jo mo bebre jacket no wo mo akasie wo mo small sizes akasie no mese e dia besia kwan the same thing sports ministry wo mo so no wo metna ho aya cut short na come the team no na teams ne pressing kwa no wo mo refi se ese wo mo ma sebe wo cut short no woni so kwan na team no na konanim Messi Anna said Obeba 6th of June. Obeba said Jesus Christ. Obeba said Jesus Christ. Obia be hun alive. Na for obia hun no kra. E way football ni mu say ya kan say football no mu jiskana mu fanya football ni ye na no other sponsor ba ni enim ska da so. na sponsorship papa ni enim sika yede ema referees yenim sika na referee ne ko no kodi match na wuya maka chense eya je na okwa wadi ni yie ne ya sabe explain se je na wadi ni yie ne se oji a fabra na fabe kire explanation enada memenda Ibrahim Sanida Sande koma e wojo FM no efa sikana efe president ka se referees ne nje o se referees ne nje ska no na wo mun kodi ni yie ene Ibrahim Sanida Sande kire mu se jina kodi ni yie ne kire se empembe bire no so bi diska obi ka se referee bia diska wo mun nya evidence enti ko won fa no nya evidence no famra na urefi na no ada de si ye obi fanya evidence na won famra no mu urefi se bebre sisi a yakeka ni nyane en fan kosiaga enti me say football people for no womu a ye football no Ghana Football Association womu ye football no nyame ya duma on the 6th of June dem gidi say ebe nyame ya duma na say bibia nso adida din na de odi no kra ye hu de onka no kra so ne ye hu o tia say because ya brewom any normal bia ekoso ho member Black Stars of Ghana James Mayele Akwesi Apia Kwesi o second coming there Kwesi second coming nipa da seni obo brana na ukọ ne yese samra ese oba no utumi suade ye e ma tese o nka o fresh squad na ko bia hu se James Akwesi Apia ampa the second coming no emfaso obaso me say enka Kwesi Apia no ye head coach Edman the senior national soccer team Black Stars of Ghana eduru baby football people here say wa bon and ye pamo no e taking kofobium ema wakoya and omwasa kofonaba enka Kwesi o second coming here enka o the squad be ba o to send your free players na Ghana fo nyina show say at least Obama squad now de ba no players na ba no obi anya ho asamunka pass Kwesi nye ready so no so be sua de kra Kwesi Apia me busasa James Akwesi Apia the Black Stars of Ghana head coach no wo hu ni say why ready say wo sua de and still no wo body team ana Kwesi Apia egusu a wo body team ana say wo kwapa me hu bia unko bi me hu dia Kwesi Apia onye bi onko bi tournament be na onko bi players ya wo Ghana hey why mo na wonim afa na Kwesi oguso bedi team ana no man ben kra na yatimi debi o man ben pa na yatima sebi ya football no de tesa gie di bu football no e difference ha Adina ye di bu football no adinche ye die no e difference empese ebekonanim empa de pa sa di papa ebekonanim ye football no kani ye beti ni esu ko win cup ni e diaba adin ye die empebi enti players na wa from no woman the best ayewo obi se say afa no Kwesi Apia ebe to chacha afa na James Kwesi Apia wobeto chacha wobeye matcha makwa afa no obe try best players ediama Ghana na chef any match na World Cup one kobi nka de mi na betim de ediama yehu players ekitaw World Cup one kobi efefo ya da Roma World Cup ni yankobi football people Ghana Football Association wo mo hweso no enye yen ene ye hweso wo mo hwe football ni suntino ye ntimi an qualify kobi enti Russia no ye be commentary wasempa 94.7 FM and they only say obo mayimu a wo mo na kita right no for Russia 2018 no wo mo na kita right no enti commentary ne be ye nemum Ghana na ko wan kobi nka die bi no betimi de ho players no I so to me parody the best at my so my best players who say players who no see a Daniel from Ghana who met me up and yet they are from no Kwesi Apia to me your time and monitor local league media Kwesi Apia otiminya time asese no sebe and then penny for ha dama no first no so adanadafo bi ho e won kra ha ese nyame adom ministry na manifia wo dem e won kra ha ye nyina nim penny for pa hontoma se kwase nya babida enti bese no wonya babida no otimi monitor otimi tira kroma e monitor players a won betimi aboa ye na set team no de anya players no anya ebine I mean look at me who problem a kwase pia wo between wono and the Ayu brothers enkofo ka but kwase eso prove Ghana for se won pa won biema wo ka twem se masa me mpabo CBM simple because nei obianim se uko England a Swansea dey hwan Jordan Ayew na winning player of the season dey ma won Jordan Ayew won the winning player of the season Ocha say Opa local league na player ben kwesi still na no yeguso kokon kwetire local players na po 2 times kwesi apia as head coach that the man the senior national soccer team aside assistant coach awaye 2 times and why ready show fian there kwesi ntimi monitor players in there woguso monitor best in yeni league ni mu ana players papa ni bi and yeni Ghana Premier League ni mu a enu nti na ndey wantimi amfra ba kokura se won meka ho na na me dey make can say he can't fail this time kwasi this time no untimi enfeli Ghanaians anya sa Ghana fosika na yade etua uka 1.5 billion old Ghana cedi ya somehow efie free electricity untuebi wo ho water bill untuebi wo ho free of charge Ghana for dia man no Ghana for say wo mu hia questions bebre e wo salary ni mu players na what to suffer from no obienu wo ye Togoni obienu wo ye Nigeria ni nemom no eso timi parody players papa players won betimi ako edeje o me enye players this time no won beba no chese enoma basa ena ekoso enoma tantan na akoko okoso a ede ensem bebre ebro man no enye no bi ne yepe o chase eso ma no kra ejeji wo na team no mu ese kosi o me hu se wahua de eso me hu se wahua de at least ofre squad de buy no na why be kasa asem no kra che no se won koye press conference na won ma chirechirem won ma cheche players a no ato sa from no on be explaining che Ghanaians no why na be man sa adwen no why na be ka che se kwasi yesadie na cheche no mam fa che Ghana for efefo no why na be football people no why na be di kwasi anim atime ka che se ese utumi fra Ghanaians na players na what to sa from no utumi Emma Ghana 40 years say when na wa kan kra say e bia you for no kwa say me no me aduma biem because ye hu de ekọ na say solar you e be keken say mebra Ghana fo nyina wo masum solar you be keken say mebre Ghana fo biate enkita ho a ne nsemo be keka e de fa wo ne say na wo fa say ne mba Ayu brothers no ensemo keka fa ho. And you know, quickly, now come on, Ghana phone say ni say nako. What I say? Man taking say I am mere friendly match and the aqua. Man taking say teams now qualifying. Sebi woman name say friendly match no. Woman players say papa and on bet me for so. Woman here team serious. Woman here still for position and they are prepared their co-work up. Ocha say already Ghana for Nankasano do na say won bu fu the blood cells of Ghana no e say no ma bia efefo no ye kwanti Ghana for bebre na won bu fu the blood cells of Ghana no e say no ma bia efefo no won ye den won ye nti no Ghana for bebre bu fu me say Ghana for bebre ai den won bu fu eno ma bia say efefo no ye nti den blood cells Nankasano enya kono enti ama sponsorship baako kura ni so first na sponsorship egusu na yagro first na sponsor egusu no na yagro o tia se na sponsor egusu no na yagro enti no this is the time o second coming no enso me hu say players when na use one enso me hu say players when and say no what do am po men ko fefe toto fefe players bia Lucas look what is that shenem si bi of fefe shenem si bi blasters ni say enya attractive enti kwesi apia una gina so say ubetimi ama team no ay attractive Wona say ubetimi ama team no ay attractive by inviting players sabi womuni bopo anya players ya de boto a no mo pom to agu baby no mo popogu sa e man careful players they say man careful players ya twam in Jesus name a man careful players no say ya twam el blasters e just so free players won betimi akonkode e de mo man Ghana for ehia resource Ghana for ehia resource enya football say yabobo bi ni ehwe bi keke enti no Ghana for calling for resource wo say resource no ena here anya say ne bo keke Ibrahim aso me kameboa me say Ghana for here resource
exactly
resource na Ghana for here enya say yambo bi keke ne akọ yanim enti kwasi apia o fresh squad eso to be fresh squad I attractive you be good football e be say we poor and your squad I mean she squad kwasi apia afre look at that look at kwasi apia
asem okrum ha wo na me ba
kwasi apia so second coming kwasi apia second coming blasters of Ghana na say na tetia pro omo akese nim say because of that inti sponsorship obia tane mebo ye say omo nyanyane ye say Adidas mo omo nyane
oko
GMPC omo nyane
oko
Puma no mo ha ye say sponsorship no akade wan
me say ba ko na
say akade wan
official banking partner Unibank no kwa no Bank of Ghana say ne sika no banking mu no Bank of Ghana minute na to ne yam to Unibank ni obi the official banking
so to me attractive
yes it's a brand no what the value of the brand a man corporate world no e be yo makono a two bata blaster no eni hobi and Kobe I am one advocate I have never supported the idea of coach Ikona Wasiamba because both in the club and in the national team ye wo krom ha ye say ko fa Bukazizi by ekosi say in 2004 yentimi qualify for AFCON esi Mr. Chelsea kra Jose Mourinho osan ba biem Chelsea fans say omo hu ni su bie da no Jose the Chelsea beto 10 from the league long so coaches are koba no emwa but na say kwesi apia take clue say there be Shep Henkins wo fi Bayern ekọ asia ba oye adwuma enti akwasi mi nso mi fi Sudan aba e wo sem bebo adwuma
o second time
exactly. You see, even though there are precedents, say coaches be aba na anko yie no, Kwesi must defy that odd and prove say, Mr. Shep Henkins, this is the 4th time at Bayern Munich. Yes. So who you coach ya? Usua de. Now we are a listening manager.
Yes.
From the presidency and yenga na me ne call up for there bay. Me nka say player bi wo mo fi Guatemala. And a player be any more Togo, Namibia, him, and a Togo, Egyptian, Togoli, Tunisia for him. Yes, but as some year can say, Kwasiapia lineup or the squad or the other one, as some back can say, the Buffalo 16 Premier League clubs and on. Now on average, Obia register 30 players a crown one. Who multiply 16 by 30, you are having 480 players. Kwasiapia, Maswa Koredu, Ibrahim Tanko, or so Muna. I'm telling you, Kwasiapia.
What say players?
I will share the 23-man squad. The first thing I can say, for every Premier League club, they have found at least 30 registered players. Now multiply by 16, we have 480. Maswa Kuredu, Kwasiapia, Ibrahim Tanko, Ole Lene John, Steven Apia Munina account. Obviously, we don't want a ball. This is a friendly game. Oko Ukoshia Iceland. You are drawn in the World Cup against Nigeria. When you say Nigeria, a West African side. And when Japan, you are drawn against Senegal. Also you say Senegal, a West African side. So they are taking a competitive advantage. So Onya Ghana, over the last 4 World Cup, 2018, what me 3 times. Now it is a good preparatory ground for the Icelandic and the Japanese counterparts. But it has no competitive significance for you. So this is an opportunity. And Kabeko Kofa Obia, or Bayern Munich 4th tier side than a bono. And me fear Yansemu, and come a player from Adriana Stars number. What be a motivation and a symbol of how do I say a motivation and the Adriana ahead of their campaign. Baba, and your question player. And the team being an unknown dying Biasa. Say no, and then they should be for new players. And you can say individual be so exceptional quality. Yes, I was Mikhail Pan. Yes, he said it in October. October. So on friend new players here. Or say after January 2018, on friend new players. Adam could say player be proved beyond reasonable draft so inclusion. Emmanuel Ochireboateng say na no was hat-trick against Barcelona. Will prove beyond reasonable doubt. Say yes, friend. Na ba could be free. Just a blaster no be a platform. Say agent be e pe kwan expose the player no what on. Yes, na be fa blaster akọ. Akwasiapia, o second coming, you have lost total respect for local players. Of course. Akwasi Ubaye in 1 year ni who local players. What Fred Ahmed Adam? More fire. O Fred for Kobna. More fire. What Fred Thomas Abbey? More fire. What Fred Vincent Atinga? Just a whole lot of local players. Musa Akwasiapia said local player Ben or friend one man about 10 minutes. And to be able to MTN FA Cup most valuable player when for Kobna. Not a competitive game. A friendly match against Mexico and US. One man more 1 minute. Power Mobi. And you know, Akwasiapia Base or the local football now. But we have a technical team for the first time. Wow, Ghanaians, because criticize Avram Grant for always not including local players. Avram Grant a dog will come. Avram Grant major criticism. Local players. Yes, he doesn't open room for local players. And a coach here. What local football? The 2 assistants, Tanko Maswekredu, they are all product of your local league. Stephen Appiah, all the Kingston are all product of your national league. Yes. Because thank you package. And your agency and that is why the corporate world is pulling away from the Blasters. Because to say not as a me say Akwasiapia call up one apart from say serve as a platform. I'm an agent, they are Tom players. You come near Fred Richard at our All Stars, what about Blaster Bako, near Toro Palmer, near Fred players. I see, Mammy Cousin, you call your own Bobby. Yes, Open League, we are seeing English Premier League. You have a national team quota and say, I'm the working permit to play in England. Manchester told Manucho in 2008. Old Trafford border because Manucho and the quota of the national team call up for Angola. Therefore, when you're working permit to that, the Manchester told him Olympia. And today, can I say, Akwasiapia, and to me, and Feli, and this time round. Yes, Manko Fefra, Sabi, players beer, Momu, Chesomu Guachewa, Mufu Somu, players beer, and a more from no. Oh, that your place will come out. Then sit in front. Concrete. No, see, you can't blocks and embryo. Oh, that's a general. Yes. Wait, and teacher say, me say, yeah, this Japan friend only say Japan they call World Cup. Iceland they call World Cup. So their preparatory games will have a lot of exposure across the globe. And the players no matter fab blaster platform no Stephen Appiah mo Asamoah Gyan mo Michael Essien mo John Mensah John Pinsto mo are building that reputation now their platform they don't turn players. And who say would be what Bayern Munich 4th tier. About 1 match in the season. After we Bayern Munich and you say Bayern Munich. What Benjamin? Miss a 4th tire at Bayern. Player, you need to say, Mammy Kasem,
obieno but some player when kwade ya oni so bo
kwasi apia se bi na
obieno attack obi but player we
yes
player we dey obi okuma
ani na kwasi amfre no
ah 4
and some players the papa na won any agency connect them do they want to tell us say so many the blaster no e was obi connect one because yeah, what do the money zone of CAF Intercontinental Club competition? Who's the player back and Sanfata? Who's the Croatia Sante Kotoko? One player. So Richard Ofori, Marisburg, what's the bench, you know? Is it better than Feliciano of Kotoko? Do we want to be fair? Yeah, but see a kind of Creo Kroma. And now, I see ever to say, employers, football people, and cannot create, Kroma and Chile, and you know, also the try and draw. Because
what kind of yes,
sponsorship contract because this one game for
match coordinator, blaster, team coordinator.
He has played one match. Diana Stars, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Accra Sofo, the league leaders themselves, Mediama, any Ashanti Godumo, or players in a Mula. I Tunsa, and from just a friendly match, any competitive significance.
Debbie, a comment first to encourage the local players.
And a car for the calendar. We have just 6 months for AFCON.
Jesus.
Also say afraid the AFCON go June. Like previously born in January. You are in May, so you are talking about the next 6 months. And it's 6 months preparation. You did 2019. Company, your son says it can be a blaster at home. Kwasiapia preparation. Oh yeah.
Says it can be
a Cameroon 2019.
Mon says it can
be school when we are say now you say it can blaster. In the last 10 years, I spent not less than $100 million on blaster. Missy, Bisa won't say, Kofodia, it's a crowd road, you're the same.
It's almost one.
Yes, of course, we are. And Kofo Sua Quine home, Sika Seni. Now, in the last 10 years, I was say $120 million on blaster. And from Kaswabia, my, you still want to invest money? Now, Sikana Quaya. Near the aeroplane, airlift, Brazil, near $60, near Jessica, near Disica, near Disica, near Disica, near Riviera, as I say, bottom, our national team, and for Swabiama. We are Ghanaians not fed up. Me say, Opa, Tuma Ghana for, that Ghana for Nkasa, now better some more Moga.
Me say, Sese na koi, it tells us that Masakunadu, any Ibrahim Takonomono, Sabi me who. Woman so for one and the same. And it's a woman so for one. Woman to Masakuna, the local blaster, not a local blaster coach. Yes, or say no. Woman so for one is saying,
Maswani, 48 local players.
Woman so for one. As a Ghana for Casa. What you say? As a Ghana for Casa. Now, I mean, Kwasiapiamo, one more assembly, no, as so many because Yentimint now. Yet now, your local players no, Sabian Sediano no. Now, Kofi player beer, what's your baby? I will be at all of a sudden. I say, oh, Bob Dominic, says tire. Say, now spare tire, no crowd, that's an tire, except kitchen. I you show you, and the other to Cassie. Spare tire now, a go and put out for sir, Omo Cromano, Omo spare tire, and your papano, do a second kitchen. I say no, I walk for the abano, you find the organa. Kwasiapia, dia wako for no, you find the organa. Sir, my temperature no rising. My temperature no, and rising Ghana for Nkasa. What you say? Because I'm not sure I say, what would you be doing to clutch here? So, woman and can of crack, and from a woman who are. Yeah, woman can of clutch here. As for me, you who womb. Because blasters of Ghana, no, say, a lusu, say, Nanima Guasi,
a lusu in value.
And then we go say
a devaluation. Can we say I can go say and then go say some yeah blaster and Yako no blasters and Yako no BM and no say Ghana blasters and Yako no BM because the kind of players I say what's a future blaster you know the kind of players
more fire mama temperature rising man rising here what you say Ghana for the Kasa